we quench every evil arrow. Lord, I uphold your body, I uphold your church in this nation. My Father, in the villages, in the towns, in the city, every demonic altar that have risen against your body, against your church, Lord, I unleash the judgment of God, divine judgment. Lord, like you told, today, tonight, I will judge the gods of Egypt. Lord, every altar risen against the house of God in this nation, every altar lifted against your body in this land, Lord, I speak judgment. I declare judgment. The finger of God against those altars, against those agents. I quench every evil arrow. I quench every evil aura in the name of Jesus through the blood